Hi everyone, this is my unboxing of bow supplies from the Sparkle Unicorn Bow Supply company. Now it's not one I've brought from before, but I thought I'd give them a go because, as you can imagine, I have impulse issues and I had to buy everything. So I've got some new bits and they sent me this really pretty like bi-flag purple flag felty rainbow as a gift. And then I brought this tenner Tuesday deal, which came in this packet here. It's got really pretty. Look at this leopard print transparent, and it's like really soft. So I've got an idea for this one. And then the matching leatherette, and then matching glitter, and then matching glitter to go with the colours that we've got there, and then this holographic version as well. And I thought for £10 that was like a deal, and like I said, I like all the different colours and combinations. And then back in the day, this was one of my favourite ribbon designs, and I haven't seen it anywhere since. So she had some deals on these. I think they were only like £1 or 75p. So I brought these different ribbons, and they had like the embellishments in with them, or like the matching 9mm ribbon. I got this mermaid Christmas ones because I've actually still got mermaid Christmas ones, and I thought that's a perfect ribbon for me to actually make something for next year that will actually fit that theme. And like I said, I got those roses because I really like those flowers on those 3-inch ribbon there. And like I said, these are my two favourite dragon ribbons, and like I said, I haven't seen them in years, so when I saw them, it's like I must buy them all. And I told you I'm doing some more shaker bows, so they had some of these shaker filler pots, and I thought I'll just get that one because I like that combination. And then I got a combination of these, you'll be able to see in a second. I got these cute little fuzzy like button centres, and I thought they'd be perfect for like flowers and stuff like that, and just bits like that, because there's all different colours. There's the white, the pink, the red and the black, which is more colours that I've normally seen. You normally only see like the white and the pink colours, so I like the fact that they had the red and the black as well. So as I pour them all over my desk instead of into the bag again, put those away. And then I got these snap clip shaker covers, and these are all star versions, so I got those in all the colours. There's different variants as well, so there was like stars and like all different things, but they're the ones that I chose in this situation. And then I got this embroidered bow loop that you have to cut out, and then you put it together like this once it's cut, and that's a 3.5-inch one, so it's quite a big bow once it's made up and glued, well, once it's cut down and glued. Yeah, it's like 3.5, almost 4-inch wide bow, but like I said, I quite like that. And then the other thing that I got was these gunk felties, and I got a bunny, not a bunny, B, started with the correct letter, a B, Valentine's ones, Easter ones, and St. Patrick Day ones. And all of these cost £2.50 for 4. So like I said, I quite like them, and I like relaxing cutting felties. I'm a bit weird like that. And then I've got similar versions to these, but they didn't have like the tails on the snap clips. So I got these versions, and these are like the autumn range ones. So it's like an autumn rainbow. These ones are like autumn pumpkins and like autumn like insects and everything like that. I really like the colour combinations and the prints on those, so I got those ones as well. So there was my little haul from the Sparkle Unicorn Bow Supplies. And again, I will, as always, I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to purchase anything from them yourselves. But I really liked all the different bits and pieces I got from this, and this was about £42 worth of supplies that I brought from them. So thanks for watching everyone, bye!